Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2025. Yes, we're going back a little ways. Hot Wheels 2025 Team Transport. This is Mix 4 for 2025. The last case code is H. And this is the ever popular Ferrari one that I've been dying to open and I had sitting here. It comes up from Stop Diecast. I apologize for Stop Diecast. They shipped this over a long time ago and I've finally got a chance to open it. And I'm doing that now for you here on the OTD YouTube channel. All right, we're gonna crack these open. I think it's pretty obvious what this mix breakdown is, but we're still just gonna go through it and show you the models here. We got the first one out of the case, number 85, the Lykan Hypersport and the Euro Hauler. So we got the transport for the W Motors Lykan Hypersport. I'm not sure how many. I think there was like 6 of these ever made, so I'm not sure if there would ever be a hauler for one of these. But always just cool to have something so crazy as a Hot Wheels car. Something you'd probably never see. But I got a racetrack in the background. Not sure what city that is. So I wonder if it's supposed to be oh, it might be Dubai. I wonder if it's Dubai. I think that might be the Burj, the big building in the background there. And yeah, so we got the Lykan Hypersport. We've seen it in black. We've seen it in red, obviously in Fast and Furious. Now we're seeing it in silver. And then we got this nice black truck, the Euro Hauler. It's just kind of a nice, just big, girthy Team Transport. Kind of wish it was all black, really, but because I mean, it's not, I know the W Motors isn't really a very distinguishable automotive logo, but at least you put like some other cars in this one. Still very nice as it is with this set. So that is the number 85 set. We call it the W Motor set. Number 84 set in this mix is the Red Panda, the old Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno, and that is paired with the Fleet Street. So the Red Panda is a very nice version of the Sprinter Terreno. Smaller casting too, so we're used to sometimes we see some of these really big cars or castings on the back of these trucks, and they kind of look disproportionate. This is probably actually one of the more proportionate looking releases on the back of the Fleet Street, just because the size of the casting is more fitting for this truck. So, but the Fleet Street is always a great casting. This one's all red and black, so you could really like substitute any red or black vehicle. There's no markings on it. And I think they're kind of getting away from like putting a lot of logos on the sides of these, just so you can have more pairings with the Team Transport trucks. Very nice release of the Sprinter Terreno as well. So we've had some really good releases of that one. I'm gonna have to get the collection of that one together pretty soon. All right, so the star of the case, the one everybody's after. Again, this has been out for some time. Stop Diecast sent this to me a while back. Finally getting around to opening it. Make sure you check out, I'm not sure if Stop Diecast even has cases available anymore, but make sure you check out Stop Diecast for any upcoming cases of Team Transport. All right, the last one in this case is the Ferrari 250 GTO and the Fiat 642 RN2 Bartoletti Transporter. So those that know their vintage racing know of this transporter. It is it was a track day Ferrari transporter that was obviously, clearly made by Fiat, but it carried the Ferrari badging on the sides. I mean, there was like a handful. I mean, there was like a handful of these Ferrari 250 GTOs that were track cars to begin with. And I mean, there's probably like 1 or 2 of these Fiat, transporters that actually carry these things. So very, very rare. I have seen pictures of it, so I guess it's not too rare to the point where I've seen pictures of it. I know at least one's been restored, and it's just a cool like automotive piece of history. I know there's been at least like one brand that's made this one before, this transporter in diecast, but this is just a nice set. Obviously, you got the return of the Ferrari 250 GTO, different version of the casting, brand new, designed from the ground up versus the old one. And then clearly the Fiat 642 Transporter is brand new as well. So a double doink, or a double, not a double doink, a double two birds, one stone. No, not good either. Just very good release of two new castings in the same set. So, and thank you to the Hot Wheels team for making two of these per case, because this is clearly the favorite. Everybody hunting this one at retail thanks you, because this is clearly the hottest set of 2025, and we are glad to have it as collectors. So, all right. Well, thank you as always for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. I know that I actually have the next case of this on its way en route to me, so make sure you check out that video when it posts. But this is 2025 Mix 4, Mix 4 for Team Transport H case. Thanks again, One Stop Diecast. Thanks again for watching. Go to oversharkdiecast.com and make sure you check out the full case report.